Bessie here from AngelRose Design. And today I wanted to feature a new marker that I just purchased. And they just came in and I love them. They're like Copics, but I like the way they work. And let me get where I can zoom in and show you guys. Whoops. Wrong way. Whoops. Okay. It's called Touch Sketch. And they do have the chisel tip and the fine tip. And I learned about these from Miss Tracy Phillips from Mindless Crafting. And check this out. It leaves no streaks. You can use the uh, fine tip to outline. I'm going to be using this flower in the project, so hence why I'm using the flower to show you the markers. And it doesn't, you don't have to put pressure on them. They just work. I'm just making sure I'm staying in frame. And I'm going to color this in or fill it in with the chisel tip. Whoops, I'm off camera. Sorry about that. Okay. Now I'm going to go and fill them all in with the chisel tip. And it dries really quick. So you have this to do. And look at that. There's no streaks in it. When it dries, it actually gives you like a little shadow thing. Like a lighting. Like you colored in for lighting. And look how I'm coloring. And it gives me no streaks at all. See that? Whoops. There are no streaks. So this is my take on these markers, and I love them. See how much faster with the chisel tip you can color or fill in the flower. It took me no time at all to get it all filled in. I'm just going like in half circles to fill it in. See? Now I'm going to get my next color, which is the yellow, to fill in. And that one I'm going to have to use the full tip, fine tip to color in. And you see, there is no streaks at all in it, but it does give you some light areas as it dries. So I'm in love with these markers. So this is my take on the Touch Sketch markers, and I will link them down below in the description box. Okay, bye craft angels, stay safe, be well, be happy, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. See you in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.